this cocktail might go up as one of my favourite tiki, more tropical cocktails that I've made of late. It's Thursday, it's Plantation Rum Day on my channel now. So every Thursday I rock out different plantation rum cocktail. I've gone for tiki. I say tiki, it's more, I would call it more tropical. There's no kind of spices involved in here. More kind of floral notes with there. We've got hibiscus, we've got bits of elderflower going on. And the rum itself just really lends itself to these styles of cocktails. If you've not tried Plantation Fiji yet, it's just so easy going. Tropical notes coming through there. Pears and mangoes and all those kind of sort of green fresh fruits. Absolutely love it. And just a quick nod, we'll kind of talk about it in a bit when we get there, but I'm also going to be starting to rock out. Let's just put that on the close-up as well. Another brand that I'm going to be using, Turtle Juice, but you can hear all about that in a second. Now, the regulars, you'll be used to this now, but I do throw the naming of my cocktails out to my legends, my membership community, because all these recipes will be going into my cocktail booklet. It gets released August 2021. So names they've come up with, let me just run you through them very quickly. Trevor Rose come out with Lee of Islands, L-E-I. I don't really like Lee of Island. I don't really get that. Paul Campion went with Tropical Flower. Ash went for the taste of the islands. I did like that. Ross went with Fiji's flower power, elderflower notes in there, and hibiscus. That's really kind of good. Do like that. Kay went with Rumba Flower Ting. Darren went with Hibi Fiji. That was kind of cool. I did like that. Trevor V went for Fijian Ting. Now, I did say I wasn't sure whether this was going to kind of arrive in time. So Ting, I did kind of put in there just in case, but we did go for the turtle juice. But the winner for this one, I'm going for Andy. Andy, I really like this. Flowers of Fiji. Right, ingredients for this kind of floral tiki cocktail. Obviously, I've got Plantation's Isle of Fiji, an amazing tropical rum. It is absolutely delicious. Giffard's Elderflower Liqueur. You could go Saint-Germain if you wanted to. I just prefer this. I've got Monin's Hibiscus Syrup. We're going to have like lovely hibiscus flavours going through the cocktail. Come back to this in a minute. Aromatic bitters and lemon juice. This is a brand you're going to be seeing a lot of on this channel going forwards. Gunna. Pretty much available easily in the UK. There will be links to get it in there. They've got 6 different flavours at the moment. That will be going down to 5, though reliably informed. This is their turtle juice. They are sodas, or like soda as in the fizzy sense, as in kind of like I'm trying to explain to Americans. They are fizzy drinks for us in the UK. Think like your Fantas, just not as sweet as your like your Fanta and your Tango and all that sort of stuff. This flavour is coconut, mango, and a hint of lime. It is so delicious. Right then, shaken cocktail this time. Let's go ingredient number 1. I want plenty of rum. I love using this stuff. 60ml double bubble of Plantation's Isle of Fiji. Next ingredient I'm going for is some of Giffard's Elderflower Liqueur. As I say, this is my go-to, but feel free to swap out for Saint-Germain if you feel like it. 15ml, half an ounce. Perfect. Now I'm going for some hibiscus syrup. Not overly sweet, this one. So I'm going for 30ml, 1 ounce. Feel free to dial it back if you want to, but this will be perfect for me. So 30ml, 1 ounce. And then just to balance out, I've got some lemon juice, and I'm just going for 22.5ml. I think the full 30 is just going to be a bit too citrusy for me. So 3/4 of an ounce. And then final ingredient before the shake is my aromatic bitters. Feel free to use Angosturas. That is the equivalent to 1 dash, as I've done with compared it to Angostura. So I'm actually going for 2 of these. There we go. Right, the soda will obviously come after the shake because we don't shake anything fizzy. So plenty of ice in your cocktail shaker. And then we're going to give it a proper welly, 10 to 12 seconds. None of this. Don't want to see this. Up here, hard and fast, 10, 12 seconds, go. And when that's nice and chilly, look at the cold steam coming off there. Oh, that smells amazing. Now I'm going for my turtle juice. Let me get you a close-up. Let's just make sure that's the right way around. Turtle juice, coconut, mango, hint of lime, delicious, not overly fizzy, not overly sweet, easy to get in the UK. There will be links below, and I'm going to be rocking out the whole brand, and I'm going to do 60ml double bubble. Look at the colour, and you can see I always put it straight into the shaker. Right, I'm going to be straining it into tiki glass for that. There we go. Just single strain. Perfect. And now I'm just going to top up with crushed ice. There we go. Lovely. And then to garnish, something new to show you. I've been waiting for these for months. Dehydrated pineapple. There will be links of where you can get this. You can just use fresh pineapple, of course you can. But I'll talk about them some other time. But there we go. That's the garnish. If you want it, that's so good. If you want even more plantation rum cocktails, dive into one of the videos that's popping up on screen right there. As always, big thumbs up if you like the video. And if you don't want to miss any of my future content, make sure you subscribe to the channel.